दिलों में तुम अपनी बेताबियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम,
नज़र में ख्वाबों की बिजलियां लेके चल रहे हो तो जिंदा हो तुम।
क्योंकि
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा।
हेलो
And welcome back.
टू वाया द कर्टन्स ब्लू.
Today we're discussing one of everyone's favorite films, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
द ग्रेट बिग हॉलिडे मूवी.
The movie that you watch every 5 years and you're like, अब तो मुझे अलग ही लग रहा है इसके बारे में, अब तो मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ.
Some people cry, some people laugh.
I do be crying a lot. It's a pattern on this podcast now. Ida finds the film really joyous, and I find it. Actually, I find it really fun also.
It is fun.
It's the most fun film there is actually.
But it's the type of film that you're watching and then something hits you.
Yeah.
And I think that's because there are so many characters.
Yes.
You know, you have to relate to one of them at least.
We have Arjun, we have Kabir.
And Imran.
Ah.
The boys.
The boys! Who's your favorite to start off with?
पहली बार देखा था तो इमरान मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था बिकॉज ही सो कूल एंड फनी एंड
Yeah.
बट रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वॉच्ड इट आई रियली लाइक कबीर
Yeah?
because he was so balanced. You know, he was like, ठीक है, I'm just here to have a good time. It's my bachelor, and like whatever. You guys don't like each other. I don't give a fuck. I'm still gonna go on this trip with you guys.
I think growing up is going from Imran to Kabir.
Yeah.
Arjun,
Even though he's Hrithik Roshan,
yeah, of course.
he's never been my favorite.
I feel like I've always been a Farhan girl in terms of like.
That's your vibe.
That is my vibe. Yeah, in general life also, I feel like I would go for an Imran. But Ritik, I feel like it's the corporate nature of his.
Yeah.
Like just being.
And he's so perfect, you know.
He's
So
kind of
it's
stuck
like,
up. Arjun
he's
is kind of stuck
definitely-
up.
पर उसकी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड क्या बोल रही थी जो बस कटरीना रीइटरेट करके बोल दिया उसने, तुम ये नहीं हो अर्जुन.
Oh! She was so hot, by the way.
She
Arjun's
was.
girlfriend was so hot. But so was Katrina.
Yeah.
I think the women in the film also, like before we get into like male friendships and all that, the women were also very not supporting actors in a film where they were literally supporting actors.
They were whole people.
Yeah.
Which was so good to watch. Even Natasha, like the second, third time that I watched this film, I was like, makes sense. Like, your friend has just told you that her husband maybe hooked up with someone at their bachelor trip. And then your fiance has gone on this trip with his boys. And then you're seeing this random girl show up everywhere. Like, why did they follow her to Tomatina?
That's true. That is true.
I would be, I mean, not that I'm a Natasha, but I would be concerned.
Yeah, we're all a little Natasha. It's okay. But I feel like Zoya Akhtar always does this with female characters. Like she does, even when they're not supposed to be the leading lady in the film, even in Dil Dhadakne Do, for example, Priyanka Chopra's character, although a part of this ensemble cast, she was never just like a pretty girl or just like
Never.
a sister or a daughter.
But for that matter, Anushka's character also. For that matter,
Yes.
the character of Noori, even like it was such a small role.
It
but
was. But she
and-
was a whole person.
Exactly.
Let's get into the male friendships because that's kind of my favorite part.
Yes.
And we know that if you guys don't know, a lot of the scenes were improvised and they were really trying to get the essence of how men talk to each other.
Yeah, like I think the friendship, these three actors, I think their friendship was also building while they were doing this improvisation because you can
Yeah.
see it. You can see that they are very free with each other somehow.
Somehow they're very cute and there's like silences, there's awkwardness.
Yeah.
They're all like, you know how you get snarky with your friends also?
Yeah.
They kept all that.
Yeah, and all the jokes, all the little tidbits of like making fun and all could become cringy, but it's not. Even
It's
now,
not.
it's not cringy.
It's not. Bhagwati was my favorite spoof.
Bhagwati,
of
oh my
Bollywood.
god, it's
She is.
too good. I miss Bhagwati.
There's so many pop culture moments that got cemented.
Yeah,
इसकी वजह से ही हम कितनी चीजें बोलते हैं आज तक
Moshi
हम
Moshi.
लोग on that note of Moshi Moshi, all the three boys had fears that they were conquering in the film throughout from the start to the end. Arjun's fear was water. Imran's fear was skydiving. Kabir's fear was, I guess, his own fiance.
Yeah. I mean, इतने बड़े बड़े fears थे, तो why were they planning this like trip with all these escapist activities? But
हम
we
भी
let
गए
that
हैं।
slide. Yeah, yeah.
मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आती गाइस पर मैं भी गई हूँ बैचलर ट्रिप पे
such an
इदा के
Arjun.
साथ
No, I'm kidding.
Never say that.
Imran.
Okay, thank you. But he's also a mess. I think that's the beauty of it. All of them are fucked up.
And they are flawed. I think that's the point of the film, where they are trying to overcome something. Of course, their fears of like water and diving off the sky, but also bigger things like I think they're all set in the people that they have become. So Kabir is the perpetual nice guy. He's the guy who's balancing things. He's so nice that he will not break up with his fiancée, even though he didn't really propose to her.
Yeah. That's my worst fear, by the way.
Come on,
Assuming
yaar,
that.
like you have some balls. But anyway, like come on. Imran is stuck in this image of being the funny guy. So if there is something that's hurting him, he's just uncovered that his father was not his father. That's big. And for him to actually face that, he has to kind of go through like comedy and go through making light of it for him to actually confront it.
Yeah. And as somebody who uses humor to be like
Yeah.
emotional also, it was quite, I think that's why maybe I related to Imran so much. And a lot of people do. Because a lot of people's coping mechanism is humor. But even if अगर हम ज़्यादा ही over analytical जाएं तो जैसे पानी का fear is about depth, right? And Arjun's fear
That is so true.
going into the depths of himself. For Imran, skydiving is also kind of losing control, right? You have no sense of control. For a
Yeah.
bit, you're just free falling.
Yeah.
And that's also something like humor also I feel like is a sense of control, right? Because
Yeah.
you're like, this is how I will control how I express my own emotions.
Yeah. And I'll not let the conversation go deep.
Yeah.
I will keep it surface level because I don't want to face
Correct.
my fears.
And Kabir, his fiance being his biggest fear is, I guess because you said nice guy,
Yeah.
तो वो बोल ही नहीं पा रहा है, people pleaser इतना हो गया है कि वो अपने खुद के fiance को नहीं बोल पा रहा
Exactly.
है.
Even in the friendship dynamic, you see that he's always in the middle. He's trying to stabilize these two boys. Why should he have to do that? You know,
Yeah.
that's his problem. Don't be the nice guy. Say what you mean. Don't get married to a girl you don't want to get married
Yeah,
to.
it's quite
You're not
basic.
doing her any favors. And Arjun's problem was like from the start we knew that this is this control freak guy who was brought up poor and he needs to prove himself. He needs to be rich, he needs to be stable. He is so fearful of going back to a life where he didn't have the amenities.
I guess Arjun, we might not like him because it's too real.
It's, yeah.
इमरान का fear फिर भी थोड़ा aesthetic सा है. अच्छा चलो issues हैं उसको. इनका fear बहुत ही positive fear है कबीर का कि वो people pleaser है, उसको सबको खुश रखना है. अच्छी
और
बात है.
बाकी उसका बहुत सेटल्ड है.
हाँ.
वो बिल्डर बाप का बेटा है.
Yeah.
वो उसकी लाइफ चल रही है.
Yeah.
उसे कुछ ऐसा.
Arjun acts on his insecurity.
Yeah.
And that's what everybody does.
Yeah.
So I think that's why in the start we said we don't like Arjun because we also act on our
Yeah.
insecurities. That's where all our fears come
And
from.
this insecurity thing is a big point because Arjun is the only one. He was not the rich one, like before in their friendship dynamic. He's not the most attractive. Of course, he is the most attractive, but
Here
in
and
their
there.
friendship, he's the guy who got cheated on by his best friend.
Yeah.
you know.
That's fucked. Would you
So
be
that
able to
is
be
insecure.
friends with a person if they cheated on, like cheated with your partner on you?
I think so. I think
Yeah.
eventually that friendship is more important. Especially if the girl is no longer in the picture
Yeah.
or the guy.
I don't know if I'll keep this, but I've been in a situation where I was well, it wasn't a cheating situation, but it was a best friend's ex. But they were still like in a limbo period, and we hooked up. And at the end of the day, I'm not really like she forgave me before, I didn't even care about what he felt. And even though he was friends with me for much longer than I was friends with her, I kind of introduced them.
Yeah.
So it was a bit of a fucked up dynamic, but at the end of the day, all I cared about was whether she was okay with it or not.
Yeah.
And although we're not that close or anything anymore, she was chill with me.
Yeah.
And she was like, you should have told me instead of, I don't even care about him.
Yeah.
It's what's between you and me that
Yeah.
matters.
I think that people have their stands and all until it happens to them. And then you have to choose what's more important.
Yeah, it's very grey.
Yeah. And that relationship wasn't meant for you if that person's going to cheat or you know.
Yeah, it's
you have
fine.
to, it depends on the situation. Like, I don't know.
Also a very funny movie.
It is
It's
such a funny
hilarious.
movie.
Like-
There are some pranks that I want to try.
Yeah.
You know, like when they go to the bathroom and this guy is peeing and they just start shouting and running out. My God, I wanted to do that.
You and Alia would totally do that.
100%.
Okay, who's who in our friend group? We have a friend group of 4 girls.
Yeah, so we have to split one of the people.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah. Or we can have two of the same person. I think
You want to be Imran.
I want to be Imran. Am I Imran? He was the only single one in the whole thing also. The Noori
He had
was
a
there.
very good
Situationship तो मेरे भी मैं
हाँ,
कौन सा बोल रही
ठीक
हूँ
है
मैं
तुम
hot
इमरान ले
नहीं
लो
हूँ.
तुम इमरान ले लो हो तुम इमरान
नहीं
नहीं आई थिंक यू आर
Oh.
एक्चुअली
Just because I'm
Free-
Muslim.
हेलो हाँ तुम इमरान हो
Okay, ठीक है. तुम कबीर भी हो सकते
मैं कबीर हो सकती हूँ शायद
ये बहुत ही मर्द लोग हैं ये
हाँ
तीनों.
कैसे हम लोग
girl
ऐसे
coded
जीले
नहीं.
जरा जब आएगी ना
हाँ, please.
देन वी कैन से हु वी आर
प्लीज फरहान जी अगर आप देख रहे हैं गलती से तो प्लीज बना लें जीले जरा.
बट कैन वी प्लीज टॉक अबाउट हाउ दिस वाज सच अ बिग फैमिली प्रोजेक्ट
Oh my god, always. They are my favorite nepotism.
I know they are really making it work. They give each other work. They get work from each other. And I think they can really be their best when they're with each other.
Yeah, it's really cool. Javed Akhtar has written the poetry that are emotional chapter breaks for Farhan Akhtar's voiceover. Zoya Akhtar has obviously directed this. Farhan Akhtar has written the dialogue
And acted in it.
and acted
And
in it.
produced it.
And produced it. It's just such a cute little.
Yeah, it's a nice. I'm sure they enjoyed the holiday together.
Yeah.
went skydiving and scuba diving together.
The
No, I don't know.
Spain also the tourism spike in Spain. मुझे तो पहली बार I think स्पेन के बारे में ठीक से पता चला है from this film. For a lot of Indians, I feel like that was the case.
It opened up this part of Europe where people were just like, अच्छा अब तो स्पेन जाके हमें देखना होगा बैचलरेट वहाँ करेंगे ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. So I know that the tourism spiked there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you feel like you know like Germany or like Netherlands.
Switzerland. You know why
Switzerland.
Switzerland was so popular with India?
Because of Shah Rukh Khan's film.
Dilwale
yeah,
Dulhania.
Yeah.
So this is the Dilwale Dulhania for
Oh.
Spain. But do you know how Spain came into the picture?
How?
I don't think they were supposed to shoot in Spain. I think Zoya had based this somewhere else. But then the DP that she chose was this guy called Carlos Catalan. And he is from Spain. And he came to India somehow and started making a few things here with directors. And when he got on board for this project, he was like, Spain is the perfect place.
Yeah.
And because the DP was Spanish, it really feels like we see the best of Spain. Like we see the mountains and the water and we just see everything. I don't think a film captures another country as well as this film has captured Spain.
Very true. But and also having the local person being there,
Yeah.
knowing exactly हमें क्या पता हम तो top 10 destinations in
हाँ
Spain
हम जाके
देखे.
वही देख सकते हैं उसे
Yeah.
पता होगा और उसे लोग भी पता होंगे
Yeah.
line production all the crew there he must have had a connection with so because he makes films in Spain also.
You know, like how female gaze cinematographers look. It's also a local person cinematography that I think matters.
100%.
Like if you're from there, you just see the place in such a loving way. Like
Yeah.
if I was to shoot Calcutta, I think it would look very different from someone not from Calcutta.
I'll come with my biases and shoot Calcutta.
Correct.
But you are there. You have a
Yeah.
perspective because you've lived it.
Yep.
And that's why I mean Spain and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is sunshine. It's like warmth and
It's so-
sunshine and it's like the breeze is blowing. So many parts of the film that I remember are just without dialogue. It's them doing this
Oh,
in the
yeah.
car. It's the Kalki's bonnet flying.
That's true.
It's so beautiful.
The silences are filled in with the music,
Yes.
which is I guess the best part of this film.
It's such.
एक एक सॉन्ग हिट है सबके लिरिक्स हमें पता है
हाँ.
मैंने आज सुना and I was like I know this whole album by heart.
Yeah.
And it's not like I actively listen to it every week or anything.
But it's just in our mind.
It's in our mind.
And I can visualize what's going on screen also when the song comes
Yeah.
on.
Dil Dhadakne Do being one of the songs and then later becoming a film. What a cute family homage to their song.
Yeah, it is.
And Senorita being sung by the three of them.
That's what I feel like it's so involved. Everyone, improvisation of the dialogue, singing the song Senorita. I think everyone was so involved in making this film that it really feels like not family, but friends, you know? Like,
Yeah.
it feels that friendship really comes through.
I think another thing I want to touch upon is Miss Katrina Kaif. She's obviously looking the hottest.
Yeah.
But I feel like this is the first film where I felt like she felt like herself. She was supposed to be a Spanish character from what I read, but they switched it to like be.
Half Indian, half
Yeah.
British or something like that.
And I think just her being allowed to have an accent and not forcing the audience to be like, "ये Indian ही है." Normal लगा मुझे. और she's awesome.
That was the first performance of hers where I was like, she's doing a great job. I'm understanding her, I feel for her, and I want to be her.
Yeah.
That तो वैसे भी लगता है कटरीना कैफ को देख के.
That's
But
true.
I think it was very freeing to watch her be herself.
Yes. So glad that Katrina got to be herself. White
Yeah.
tank top में पहन के कोई hot लग ले.
हाँ.
I think like Katrina has gotten styled a lot more elaborately in previous films. But in my personal opinion, this is the best she has looked and acted.
Even though she's so bare, like it's not like she's makeup is so done up or hair is so done up, but she's just so free that she's looking very hot.
Yeah.
And very herself.
Taken Katrina Kaif का ये क्या है? Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, that scene where she's driving the bike behind him and like they stop the car and he walks and is like, I don't want to have any regrets. And then they just kiss.
Yeah, the kiss is so cute. I love the kiss. I think it also set up Indian audiences to having travel romances. Because हमारे यहाँ तो ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं होती है. Before Sunrise is, I think, probably the first introduction that a lot of people have. But that also, I guess, the movie watchers
Yeah.
are the ones.
It's not a very popular film.
No.
This was a popular film. You know, I would assume that this is not a very relatable film because how many people get to go to Spain for like 3 weeks and have their bachelor's trip there, and how many people get to buy an Hermes bag and
Yeah,
that's
Goa
a wedding
trip ही नहीं
gift.
हो रहा है यहाँ पे. स्पेन जा रही हैं टोमेटो के साथ खेलने.
Exactly, but why is it that we relate to it so much?
That's true.
I think even though the topics are not as relatable to the general Indian audience, we relate to it because we feel like we're part of the group. The film has been shot in a way where the boys are just talking and we are part of the conversation.
Yeah.
We are like, oh, this was an inside joke.
Yeah.
Oh, what is BPL?
That's true.
So it makes us giggle. It makes us feel like the schoolboys that they are feeling like.
I guess even billionaires, when they chill with their male friends, crack the same joke. I don't know about billionaires. I don't think they're real people, in my opinion. But just like really uber rich people are also at their core boys. They have
Yeah.
boys' nights. Maybe it's not in a flat,
Yeah.
but like it's still the vibes are the same. I do want to touch upon the Tomatina festival moment.
Spanish
Pehli
Holi.
baar. I know there was a lot of split opinions on like khana waste ho raha hai. And there was like my mother, that was her concern. My sister was obviously like, this is my dream, I need to do this in my life. I was like, I really like tomatoes and I would probably eat it. And I feel like it was just such a scene. Like, I don't think it's ever happened again.
Tomatina, no.
नहीं, like ऐसा type का scene with, I mean,
होली वाले बहुत सारे songs हुए हैं,
हाँ.
बलम पिचकारी type, but it's not as exotic.
yes.
Tomatoes is like in this Spanish town, everyone's throwing tomatoes. I hate tomatoes, so
Oh.
it wasn't
Yeah,
great for
you
me.
do.
I understand why it would be so exciting.
Yeah, it was their version of Holi, you're right.
Yeah.
It was the Holi sequence in this film.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, it is a Bollywood film which has romance, it has dance sequences.
Yeah, it has an end song.
Oh,
सूरज की
yeah.
बाहों में, which is so cute.
End में क्या होता है?
तुम बताओ.
मैंने इससे पहले शुरू होने से पहले आस्क्ड निदा, अच्छा एंडिंग में क्या हो रहा है? निदा वाज लाइक, हाँ वो भागते हैं.
Running with the bulls.
Yeah. Oh.
Which, fun fact,
We read somewhere, we don't know if this is true or not, but it was not supposed to be named Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, but Running with the Bulls, which is quite a bad name as opposed
for
to...
an Indian film, yes, bad name. Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is a good name.
Did you know YOLO is a Spanish saying? But Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara literally says...
YOLO.
Yeah.
In Hindi.
Yeah, but
Why is YOLO a Spanish saying?
like there is a Spanish saying that means that, which
okay.
is quite famous. I'm not.
Carpe diem.
I think every country and every language has their own version of Carpe Diem, and Zoya Akhtar made ours. ZNMD is quite literally our YOLO,
Yes.
and that's quite cool.
So you think this was the best title for the film?
Yes, but if I were to,
Overthink it.
I guess I would maybe this film feels like one of those films that has only one word as the title.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like?
That I don't know actually. I thought about it initially. I was like, just Zindagi maybe, because it is quite slice of life as a film. I think it's celebrated a lot as a travel diary, but I think it's very coming of age, slice of life. Not a lot of plot twists are happening. There's not drama. There's enjoyment and there's adventure and there's spontaneity. But it's not like there's like a time jump or like a character arc after 50 years or a child being born or anything.
Yeah.
So in that sense, I think just calling it Zindagi in my head makes sense. 'Cause
Yeah.
it is as close to a youthful person's life as it does come.
Yeah.
You?
I think Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara is a good title, but it somehow doesn't encapsulate the fun. Like it's such a deep title
It is.
in a way. So maybe if it was something like a little more flair, like
Masti khor.
Masti Khor, Khabo Ke Parande, or something like that.
That's
Ek
also
Junoon.
true.
All the song names are also amazing.
Junoon would have been also
Junoon,
just
yeah.
Junoon.
Yeah.
Ah.
But I like the name. Not saying
We
anything
have
against it.
missed something really major. Dil Chahta Hai and
Yes, Excel Film and Friendship Films. It does not get better than Excel for friendship films.
Dil Chahta Hai was like a precursor. I guess Dil Chahta Hai walked so ZNMD could run. Almost feels like
Fly.
a could. I think Dil Chahta Hai was like something you would relate to when you're 20, 21. ZNMD is something you would relate to every year of your life, but also more now that I'm 27. I understand it
Yeah.
more. पहले था कि हाँ मस्ती है, ये लोग जा रहे हैं ट्रिप पे. अब मुझे लगता है ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं, nuances हैं, इनके relationships fucked up हैं, इनको शादी नहीं करनी है. So I think it's like it's a more mature, older version of Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah. The problems feel more relatable somehow.
Yeah.
Maybe because we were too young for Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah.
When I was a kid and I was watching Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, it was fun. It was all happiness and joy. But when I watch it now, I think about my life and what am I afraid of
Yeah.
not doing. So that's quite deep.
I think Dil Chahta Hai was like more hopeful.
Really?
Yeah, like I think they were like exploring what love even is, and they were suggesting ऐसा होना चाहिए प्यार.
Yeah, this is a little bit of a mature take.
Acceptance.
Yeah. Maybe because the makers have also grown up a little
that's
bit.
true.
So their stage in life is where they can kind of the first loves have happened, the first jobs have happened. Now it's like now at 35, 40, what is it that we are not doing? What are we holding ourselves back from?
Our flaws.
Yeah.
No, Dil Chahta Hai was more like, I think even the flaws that they had were their premature understanding of themselves. Because their flaws were very evident and obvious.
Yeah.
अच्छा इसको commitment issues है, इसको काम नहीं करना, इसको whatever. In this one, it's so like grey.
Yeah.
There's no bad or good. All
Yeah.
of them are bad and all of them are good.
Exactly. All the characters. You think this film could be made, if it was to be made again, would it, one, be good and accepted and as good as it is? And who would be the cast?
Like a Gen Z cast.
A Gen Z cast.
Okay. I think I don't want to go into the characters. I think Abhay would be really good actually. Not because he's my friend, but also I think Abhay Verma would just.
I was thinking Abhay Deol was in it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. I don't know. Abhay Verma, I
Abhay
think,
Verma,
would be
yeah.
awesome. I think he would be a good Imran actually, even though he gives off more of a Kabir or an Arjun vibe.
I see Imran.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
him as Imran, little bit tortured artist kind of energy. Mostly because I feel like I've not seen him like that. You want to suggest the second name?
Like an Ishan Khatkar
Yes.
for Arjun.
For Arjun, he would be so suave
Yeah.
with it. I think in Royals, his suave side really came out. So
Yeah.
I'm quite intrigued by his.
And he could also be an Imran, but I feel like it will be nice to see him a little bit more like, ये मेरा काम है, मैं ये
हाँ.
करूँगा, I don't care. And then Laila comes into his life and it just changes.
He would be very similar to Shahid, I feel like,
Yeah.
in that role.
Yeah.
It reminds me of.
Shahid in a few roles,
Yeah.
yeah.
Who would be the third?
Yeah, Kabir and Abhay Deol, like, I don't know who it could be.
You know, Abhay Deol could also be. What's his name? I should know his name. The one who worked with Ishan Khattar and.
Siddhant Chaturvedi? Oh no.
Also him actually.
I think Siddhant Chaturvedi for Kabir could be good.
That's true. They did an ad, Ishan Khattar and Siddhant Chaturvedi.
Yeah.
Which was a recreation of ZNMD.
Or Dil Chahta Hai.
No, ZNMD.
ZNMD
Because they
with
did the
Vedant.
car.
Yeah.
With Vedant.
yeah.
They sat in the car and everything. That was Dil Chahta, no?
I'm not sure they went to
They
Goa.
did a ऊपर का but वो तो
और स्पेन तो नहीं लेके जाएगा.
गोवा में किया तो फिर तो साक्षी मैंने और नैना ने भी कर
हाँ,
दिया
तो तुम लोग करो ना जीले जरा.
No, we did an ad like that.
No, I know.
Okay. I think Khushi in an urban role would actually kill. Because
yeah.
she has the looks.
Yeah.
I think her just being that like... Because I think as a person also she is kind of like, I'll go on a beach and I'll chill and
Yeah.
I'll be like...
And I would believe her if she says that you just have to live, my friend.
Yeah, I would
believe her.
Yeah, like she's gone to Spain to live there for 5 years or
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
Because of the accent that Katrina already has. So I don't think Khushi would be like playing a half.
Yeah, she'd be Indian, but she would be like a scuba diver instructor. in
Yeah.
Spain. Yeah.
Which she is quite a fitness freak herself. So
Yeah.
No, Ahan Pandey would actually also be kind of... But no, he's too like... He's very melancholic right
think-
now after Sayyara, in my opinion.
But I think Ahan Pandey could be an Arjun,
yeah.
you know? I
Yeah.
could see him break down because of a girl, obviously because of Sayara.
Yeah. Yeah.
But he could change his entire personality and like,
Also could be interesting to see him in a comic role after something that is so
yeah.
deeply...
Yeah. I'm quite excited about the new actors.
Yeah, na?
Yeah.
Same. I think we need a refreshment of the boys.
We need to look at the screen and feel like, oh, these are our people rather
Yes.
than these are our. I'm not going to say it.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I should not speak
Yeah.
on that topic.
Like we've said before, one of the best things about this film is the music. Anywhere we go, we hear the songs, and it's the magic of Shankar Ehsaan Loy, who I just think that name, the three people, Shankar Ehsaan Loy, they bring so much to it. I'm sure their lived experiences combines at like with music and creates this
It is three boyfriends making...
three boyfriends from three different religions.
Oh, yeah.
Making amazing music. Like it really feels so different. Some songs feel so different from one another because there are three people making.
That is so true. I never thought about these three people who have done such amazing collaborations before in
Yeah.
music, working together, recreated a background score for something that is about three male friends also collaborating and creating something beautiful together. I think
Yeah.
that's... I
It's
think
poetic.
it is so poetic, just like Mr. Farhan's dialogues in the middle here and there. I think even Farhan Akhtar just breaking into these emotional monologues in the background and then suddenly they're going and pranking people. Like he's literally
Yeah.
saying Dil Kyun Rota Hai, and how that the meaning of that poem is actually really beautiful. That we are wasting our time basically crying about things. तुम्हारी आंखें नम क्यों हैं, बेकार में नम हैं. And it ties everything together. All of them do. I think all of the poems are about it's good that you're feeling things.
Yeah.
Zinda ho tum literally means that you're
feel
feeling.
things, do them, go and do the action that you have to do. Like go and meet your father. You know, it's
That
fine if it's
scene.
not going to turn out well, but at least you've done it. You'll not regret. Don't have regrets.
A lot of people have contested that scene shouldn't have been a part of the film.
Really?
Yeah, and apparently Zoya Akhtar had to fight for it to be part of the film. I don't know if that's true or not, but a lot of critics have said that scene in particular with Farhan Akhtar and his father in the film Naseeruddin Shah was unnecessary, and maybe that's the one scene that felt forced to them or should have been cut. I completely disagree.
Yeah, I also
think
disagree.
That was genuinely the heart of the film.
Also, because otherwise, Imran's character wouldn't have had any grounding. We
Yes.
would be like, oh, this is this guy thinking about his father, but we don't care.
Yes.
We only care when it's Naseeruddin Shah and we have that scene, and he realizes that it wasn't meant to be. He was not meant to be my father, and my Abba was actually my father.
Yeah.
That is sweet.
And he does kind of literally bail him out of jail.
Yeah, yeah. Those things need to happen for the film to have any legs. Otherwise, it's literally just a vacation then.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
But a lot of the other two characters had arcs like that. I
Yeah.
don't think it was about not having emotional moments in the film. In particular, that scene, people were like, this was very disjointed from the film.
It wasn't as fun and flowy and free.
No. Even though the scenes with Kalki were also quite emotionally charged.
But they
I
had
think-
a little comedic undertone.
Yes.
This one didn't.
She's a nagging girlfriend.
Yeah.
This one was just, he's an absent, distant father. He was not there for his child. Yeah, you're right. It would have been a very shallow portrayal of Imran if he was just the guy with daddy issues and cracks jokes sometimes.
And cheated, betrayed his best friend.
Yes.
I think we were a lot more forgiving of Imran because he had this past and that we saw that past.
हर पल एक नया मौसम है क्यों तू ऐसे पल खोता है Every moment is new. Why must we lose any of them? I guess.
Yeah, that summarizes the film.
Yeah. And on that juicy note,
Thank
see
you so
guys.
much. Thank you for watching us. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Please let us know which other Zoya Akhtar films we should do next.
And let us know what you felt upon rewatching ZNMD, because it's always a new experience, because it's always a new pulse, new
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah.
Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye.